Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Genshin Impact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go down, just keep going down. You click here on apps. You come to apps list here and then you're looking for Genshin Impact app or just click, sorry, you click here on search. Then here at Genshin Impact, just click on it. You come to next here, click on for stop, click on OK. You go down, just click on storage, come to storages here. Just click on clear cache, then all you have to do, just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.